Paul Barys is in the Storm Alert Center. Boy, the Gulf Coast just can't catch a break this year, Paul.
Yeah, no, it's rough. Louisiana's, they're saying, what have we done wrong? Let's forget 2020. Okay, we got a warm day coming up for tomorrow. Should be in the 70s again. That's well above normal. Very wet Wednesday coming up, and a very wet day coming up on Thursday, too. So get ready for more rain. We are right here. There is a flash flood watch up starting Wednesday morning in North Georgia. That may be expanded depending on what happens, but all the rain right now is well to the north of us. It's not moving our way, just sort of stranded out there. Looking at the Caribbean, the center of the hurricane right now is moving near Cozumel. It's going to be moving over the Yucatan Peninsula, then into the Gulf of Mexico. We'll show you what it's going to do. This is the hurricane center. Again, the center of the storm right over Cozumel. It's a Category 1 hurricane. It's going to be moving. It's probably going to turn into a tropical storm as it moves over land, and then it's going to reform to a 1 as it gets over the southern part of Louisiana. It could be out near Lafayette, Louisiana, all the way to almost Pascagoula or Biloxi, Mississippi. That's what the Hurricane Center is saying now. They're narrowing this cone of uncertainty and then pushing it off towards the north and holding the wind field with this thing coming up at about 8 o'clock Thursday morning. Now, if it's still a tropical storm at that point, we're going to see some winds out of it at 30 to 40 miles an hour, maybe stronger gusts, especially in the higher elevations and especially south of the city through Sand Mountain, Lookout Mountain. We'll have to keep an eye on this. If it travels a little further south, won't be that big a deal for us as far as wind goes, but it's going to bring plenty of rain, and that should head right into the, looks like, Chesapeake Bay. 68 in the city right now. That's very warm. 68 in Dalton, 61 out in your Murphy. Winds are lighting out of the northeast. 79, 65 for the high and the low today. No rain at the airport. Skywatchers came in with 70 south of the city. Chatsworth had 80, Dalton 76, Scottsboro also at 76. Then we had about 77 from Cleveland, Lakeside, Soddy, Daisy, 78 East Ridge to about 76 in Trenton and Ringgold. And then north of the city, we had low 70s up near Spring City, mid 70s, and even a few upper 70s east of the city, low to mid 70s again from Turtletown to Murphy. Now the Cumberland Plateau was only in the 60s, and you go all the way up towards Nashville, it was only in the 50s for today. It was not a pretty day up there. Lots of clouds and drizzle too. We got this little wave that's going to be moving off towards the east. Probably won't create any rain for us tomorrow. Lots of clouds though. May see a sprinkle. Most of the rain is going to come in on Wednesday night, and Thursday as that moisture from what's left of the hurricane moves our way. And then coming up into Thursday afternoon, still a chance for some showers. Should start to taper off, and then drier air is going to be moving in for Friday and into Saturday. Right now we're thinking, I think, 2 to 4 inches west of the city, probably 1 to almost 2.5 inches of rain east of the city. So it's not for sure, but this is amazing. 1 to 2 feet of snow is going to be falling in Texas, Oklahoma, New Mexico, and Colorado, and a major ice storm for Oklahoma and Oklahoma City in October. An ice storm, folks. 58 tonight, mostly cloudy, light winds. Tomorrow 76, mostly cloudy to partly cloudy skies. Could see some breaks in the clouds. Tomorrow night 61, some showers will develop by dawn, and 7-day excellent chance for heavy rain on Wednesday night and into Thursday. Thursday the winds will really pick up. 64 coming up on Friday. Halloween looks all right. 63. Time change Sunday morning was 64, 64 again coming up into Monday. So again, probably at least 2 to 3 inches of rain coming around here Wednesday and Thursday. Greg?